Hello all, welcome to the day 53 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. An automobile manufacturer can produce up to 300 cars per day. The profit made from the sale of these vehicles can be modeled by the function P of x is equal to minus x square plus 350x minus 6600, where P of x is a profit in 1000 rupees and X is the number of automobiles made and sold. Answer the following questions based on this model. Question 1. When no cars are produced, what is the profit or loss? X denotes the number of automobiles made and sold. We have to get the profit or loss when X is equal to 0. That is, P of 0 is minus 6600. Which means when no cars are produced, the loss incurred is rupees 6600 thousands. Question 2. What is the break even point? Break even is a situation where there is no profit or no loss. So to get the break even point, we have to make P of x as 0. Minus x square plus 350x minus 6600 is equal to 0. Multiplying this entire equation by minus 1, we get x square minus 350x plus 6600 equal to 0. The constant term is plus 6600, so we will choose two factors such that if we add them we get minus 350. So x square minus 330x minus 20x plus 6600 is equal to 0, and x times x minus 330 minus 20 times x minus 330 is equal to 0. X minus 20 into x minus 330 is equal to 0. That is, x is equal to 20 and x is equal to 330. That is, the break even is 20 cars and 330 cars. Question 3. What is the profit or loss if 175 cars are produced? Let's calculate P of 175, which is minus 175 square plus 350 times 175 minus 6600, which gives us 24,025. That is, profit is rupees 24,025 thousands. Question 4. What is the profit if 400 cars are produced? P of 400 is equal to minus 400 square plus 350 times 400 minus 6600, which gives us minus 26,600 thousands. Since the number is negative, it's a loss. Loss incurred is rupees 26,600 thousands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.